So we will start with symbols now. So as per the book, the first symbol is Chokure, the second is Seheki, and the third is Honsa Zeshune. But when you practice healing, the first symbol becomes Honsa Zeshune. Write down first one.
First is on.
Honsa Zeshune. The spelling is there. You can just write down. The second is Seheki. The third becomes Chokure. Okay, now write down healing self. When you're healing yourself, you should start healing myself, Akhilesh. Write down healing myself, Akhilesh. For your comfort, you can keep a pillow on your lap. You can see this pillow. So that, you place your hands like this. Can you see my hands?
नहीं पूरे नहीं आ रहे, बस ऊपर का इतना आ रहा है इसका.
Can you see my hands?
हाँ जी,
Okay.
ऐसे आपने रखा है.
Yeah. This two hand. The left hand is like this, and you can see this is kind of snake. You can see
जी.
snake with the open this thing. Take. Now, points to remember when you're healing yourself. This healing is like a alarm programming. Now, what is the time now? It's 2:45
जी.
approximate. 2:45, 15th August. You can keep the timing for next any number of days. So now 2:45, 15th August, you don't have to heal at the moment only. You can tell the symbols and direct the energy. I need the healing today on 15th August from 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. So when you say that and when you do the healing energies at 6 p.m. will form on top of your head and it enters your body from 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. For 3 hours, your body will receive the healing energies. At 9 p.m. automatically these energies will stop because you are putting a program here from 6 to 9. Always make sure you are opening and closing the time is mentioned. Otherwise, what happens? You're just putting the opening time and don't put the closing time. The energy from your body will start flowing continuously and you will feel drained. Like if you put an alarm, the alarm will ring for 5 minutes, right? After 5 minutes it stops. Alarm or reminder kind of time. So similarly, you can heal others with the same timing also. Suppose I tell you, Akhilesh, heal me for say 16th August in the night. So 16th August starts from 12 in the night, right?
जी.
So you can ask me what time you require healing. So I will tell you, Akhilesh, you heal me in the night. So you can tell healing Rajesh on 16th August from 1 a.m. till 5 a.m. You announce this because the symbol will listen to what you're announcing. Okay, they follow your command. You be very clear on the AM PM because if you say only 1 and 5, then the healing energies will happen from 1 in the night and again 1 in the next day also 5 double healing. So you need to be very clear about the timing. Suppose you are healing somebody in say New York. So New York,
जी.
the time now will be around 3:30, half an hour gap. It will be 3:30 a.m. there, right?
ओके.
So when you're sitting now, you can announce healing Rajesh in the New York on it'll be say 15th also there, 15th from 4 a.m. till 7 a.m. So somebody is sleeping in the New York at today morning from 4 a.m. till 7 a.m. The healing energies will heal him from 4 a.m. till 7 a.m. because you're starting healing half an hour before here. So it reaches to them from 4 a.m. till 7 a.m. So
ओके.
right now you start healing yourself because when you start healing yourself, the doubts will come in. You can clarify and I'll clarify your doubts as to how heal others. But as of now, you heal yourself from today onwards. For next 21 days, keep it a plan on every day. Later on, also heal every day. Don't keep this 21-day block in the mind. Okay,
जी. जी.
because we need healing every day. Okay,
हम्म.
so first thing, self healing. You can write down self healing,
सेल्फ.
self healing with symbols. Okay.
जी.
So you place your hands like this. Other
ओके.
people, there are some different ways. Certain people will place hands like this. Certain will do like this. Certain will different people have different teachers way of teaching. I'm telling you a simple way. Place your hand like this. That these two fingers will be used for drawing the symbols in the air. Now what you need to say is healing myself, Akhilesh. You can mention the time. Okay. Now what you can do is today is 15th. So you start healing yourself every day in the night from today. So you say 16th August 2021 from 1 a.m. till 5 a.m. So every day you heal yourself in the night, because daytime when you heal, you will be working in the office, so you'll feel very sleepy.
Okay.
Because these energy will make you sleep. So make sure for self healing you put in the night, or if you are at home, or if you're healing others also, make sure what time they are free, because if somebody is working in the kitchen or somebody driving, they might feel sleepy. So you can for yourself you mention healing myself Akhilesh on 16th August 2021 from 1 a.m. till 5 a.m. This you have to just say, you don't have to write. Okay. Now when you say healing yourself, you have to open your Reiki energies first. Opening Reiki, you need to open with symbol 1, which is Honsa Zeshune. Okay. You draw Honsa Zeshune like this. Remember the 22 points in the Honsa symbol? Just look
Yes.
at my hand, what I'm doing. Honsa Zeshune. The symbol 1. Then say ki symbol 2 finish. Then Chokure. Now with these three symbols, the Reiki channel is open. Okay. Now after this, announce your body parts. There are 24 body parts which you heal with your hands. Each body part you can say healing my eyes, Seiki Chokure. While opening Reiki, symbol 1, 2, 3. While healing, only 2 and 3 symbol. Now these two symbols will enter your eyes at particular defined time. From 1 a.m. till 5 a.m., these two symbols will enter your eyes. Likewise, each body part you have to say announce healing my temples, symbol 2 and 3. Healing my ears, symbol 2 and 3. Each body part, say the body part, then 2 and 3 symbol draw. Now, when you are normal, there is no issue, 2 and 3 symbol. Suppose you are healing a person with a critical illness, like a kidney issue or with a cancer or any particular ailment. There, what you do, you can draw the symbol 2 times. Suppose healing my liver. Say ki chokure, again say ki chokure. You can draw 2 or 3 times so that the more energy goes there. Okay. But if you feel further healing is required, then that particular symbol, the particular organ only, you draw Hunsa Zeshune again. Because then what will happen? You are connecting the organ with a direct energy symbol, grounding. Hunsa Zeshune, then Seiki and Chokure. Okay?
Okay.
And somebody with lot of stress, lot of mental stress, this part you draw multiple symbols on the organs like heart chakra, throat chakra, shoulders, your solar plexus. Somebody with constipation issues, stomach issues, pancreas and spleen, liver, multiple symbols. Likewise, each body part 2 and 3 symbol. When you come to base of spine, the last body part, after closing, say thank you to self. Before healing myself, thank you, or for other person, thank you, the name of the person, and thank you Reiki, and thank Reiki for the healing, and thank the person because he's allowing you to heal. Okay, because he's giving that. Then you close again with 1, 2, 3 symbol. Honsa Zeshune Seiki Chokure. Opening Reiki 1, 2, 3 symbol. Each body part 2 and 3 symbol. Specific organ. More number of times you have to draw. More critical issues, then draw Honsa Zeshune and connect with the organ directly, and again heal. Suppose somebody is having a lung cancer, a throat cancer. Throat cancer, again you directly connect with Honsa Zeshune because the energy will fall further on a particular part. Again 2 and 3. Then while closing, you close it with a 1, 2, 3 symbol. Now you please repeat in brief how to heal self.
सबसे पहले तो अगर सेल्फ के लिए हील करना है तो हमें रात को हील करना चाहिए या तब जब आप फ्री हो, ताकि
Free हो.
क्योंकि एनर्जी स्लीपी फील करवाती है. तो अगर मैं कल के लिए करूँगा तो मैं जब पोजीशन बैठूंगा तो मैं खुद को बताऊंगा टाइम कि हीलिंग माई सेल्फ अखिलेश फॉर बिटवीन 16 अगस्त 1 AM टिल 16 अगस्त 5 AM.
Right. Very good.
उसके
Right.
बाद फिर मैं ओपनिंग में सिंबल 1.
One more point here: don't keep more than 4 hours time.
Okay.
Because what happens is, suppose suppose you can ask me, why can't I put from say in the afternoon from 1 p.m. till 8 p.m. 8 hours is a longer stretch, right?
जी.
So then 8 hours time, the energy will keep you dense, sleepy, or it might not flow that with the same flow. Always keep the timing short, 4 hours. Okay.
Okay. तो 4 से कम भी रख सकते हैं?
You can keep, do it between 3 to 5 hours.
Okay, 3 to 5 hours. Okay.
Generally, if you go to a in-person healing who's sitting in front of you, he'll do it for half an hour. Because since it's a clinic, he cannot make you sleep for 4 hours because a lot of people will be walking, so he'll keep for 20 minutes. Suppose your wife is sitting in front of you. What you can do, you can make her lie down, okay? You don't have to draw like this. You can draw like this also. You can keep your hand. If suppose you're sitting suppose you're sitting in a train or bus, you can just keep your hand like this, and when these two fingers are down, you can use these fingers for drawing. Suppose your wife is sitting, you can just keep her, tell her to lie down in front of you, and you just look at her, and you open Reiki. You tell her name, and suppose now it is 3 p.m. So if she is lying in front of you, you can tell healing your wife name from today on 16th August 2021 from 3:30 p.m. till 4 p.m.
Okay.
And you open Reiki and you just draw symbols on the body parts, each body part name, and you close the Reiki. So when she's sleeping in front of you, the next half an hour, the healing energy will enter her body.
Okay.
That is the way when you do, somebody is in front of you.
जी.
You can keep half an hour, 1 hour.
जी.
That you can do self for 1 hour also. Now, suppose today practicing you're doing, today is 15th August. After this session is over, you can keep a timing from after the session, you keep it from 5 p.m. till 6 p.m. So 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. the energy will flow through your body. 1 hour you can healing you can do. See, now there is no condition that you should do it in the night when you're healing yourself. When you are at home, you can heal multiple times. That I'll show you in the next sessions. When you understand, you will understand ki how when you are at home, how you can use the symbols for healing yourself multiple times in a day. When you're not going out, you can keep a timer from 1 p.m. till 3 p.m. Take a break again from 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. So multiple time healing will happen. So remember the AM PM very important because because the energies will follow the timings whatever you say. Similarly, when you're healing a person, now this person someone is healing a person in a different time zone in America or Germany, you please make sure the timing you are aware of. Like now it's early morning in America at 3:30 a.m. there. So when you're healing somebody 3:30 a.m. 15th August, because it's already 15th August started there already. We are at the evening, they're at the morning 15th August. Okay. So when you're healing yourself, sitting now, you can heal yourself for next 10 days also. You can just write down, now you're healed, you put a timer for 16th August. Right now only you can keep for 17th August, 18th August, 19th August, 20th August also. Because every day, that particular time, the energy will enter your body.
Okay.
Unlike you're placing hands for level 1, here this energy you're programming. Like you're paid the money for a milk vendor for next 1 month. Every day morning he'll come and deliver the milk, right? You don't have to call him. You already paid him and he's aware. Similarly, the energies you are already directed the energies and you have drawn the symbols. So now every day that particular time the energy will enter your body for that particular time and starts healing will happen. That is the power of this Honsa Zeishune Seiki Chokri. Honsa Zeishune is the connection between present, future, and past. Like tomorrow or day after tomorrow you will learn the childhood healing. So you will be healing your period from the day you are born. What is your date of birth?
25 जुलाई 1990.
1990. So 25th July 1990 say 25th July 1997. In the next 7 years, you can right now you can start healing. So the Hansa Deshine will go back to the 7 years of that particular time from 1990, and those particular 7. In future, I'll tell you why you require to heal these 7 years. Because unless these first 7 years are healed, you cannot become. I will not say become a healer, but your body needs to be cleansed because you are born with a certain karmic balance. It can be positive, negative, whatever. So when you heal that, you are healing those energies. That in the next session I'll explain you why this particular 7 years plays major role in your life. Because these 7 years are actually part of your life. All of us are connected with this first 7 years of our life. That I'll explain next year. So this Honsa Ishune is going to, you can heal not only the 7 years, you can heal entire, you're 31 now. So you can start from 1990 and you can heal till yesterday, month onwards.
Okay.
So suppose any past event of your life you felt needs to be healed, you can go back to that particular year and month, and you can announce and heal that month. So those energies will be cleansed. Any relationship issue with any person that particular year, ex-employee, ex-boss, ex-company issues, go back and heal. So you in your heart you will feel relaxed because these energies are cleansing your pain in the heart. So you will feel lighter because we all of us carry certain emotions of past. So these emotions, the Seiki will balance. You can't go back and to past physically and heal it. With these symbols, you can mentally heal it. So right now we are clear on the self healing. Same pattern you apply for healing others.
Okay.
Make sure you know the timing or at what time the person needs healing. Ask the person if you want to heal. Take the permission and heal, even though it's a family member. Do not heal without their permission. Otherwise, if you're healing without their permission, these healing energies will create blocks in their life, and you will feel the body pains also. And when you're drawing also, especially seiki will be twisting, because the other person there is not approving healing, the seiki will be twisting. Remember, a lot of people have these perceptions about reiki. You cannot harm. You cannot send negative energy with reiki doesn't work on negative energies. No, you may feel, sitting here, can I send the negative energy, ki wish this person will have this thing or that thing? No, doesn't work. That you should be very clear about it. Somebody will ask you, I don't like that person, can you send him negative energy? No, reiki doesn't work on negative energy, because reiki, since you're practicing level, when you are aware of it, you are feeling yourself from last 2 months how you are feeling. So it works on universal peace and universal energies. So you are balancing body emotions with positivity. Similarly, you're healing people with energies. That is the reason I keep a gap of at least 40 days to 1 month between level 1 and level 2, because first you heal yourself, then you start healing again with symbols and heal others.
Okay.
So we are clear on the healing part of one and healing part of self and others.
ठीक.
So
मुझे बस एक
when you start,
सवाल.
please,
हाँ.
पूछिए.
जैसे मान लीजिए मैंने एक खुद के लिए हील कर लिया 1 से 5 के बीच में, तो फिर
जी.
मैं जो हैंड हीलिंग करता था सुबह, वो फिर नहीं करनी है, ऐसा है?
वो आप करेंगे तो अच्छा है.
अच्छा, वो एक पॉजिटिव पॉइंट रहेगा.
करेंगे तो अच्छा है. देखो इसमें क्या है, दैट इज at a deeper level you are healing yourself. When you're healing your hand on the heart chakra, you yourself know how it feels. You're healing yourself, right? It gives you immense energy, and physically it makes you stronger. So I will not tell people to stop hand healing when they learn with symbols. Continue this. Continue this. Continue this. If you're too busy in a day, then heal with symbols and do the chakra balancing.
Okay.
But you are never too busy to help yourself, right?
हाँ, मतलब पूरे दिन में तो मिल ही जाएगा इतना टाइम. अब मुझे अभी तक मिल रहा था तो obviously.
And then when you're sitting on the internet, on a YouTube or WhatsApp chat, you spend couple of hours. So when you can spend couple of hours without even checking the time, you can heal yourself for 1 hour in a day. It is not by force, it is your choice. Healing is a choice. And when you're healing yourself, you're healing your family members automatically, because when you feel better, you will make others feel better. Very simple. With symbols, what happens, you are having more power now. Because in next classes you will learn healing with symbols about yourself, about others, about home, about your past, about your childhood, about relationships. These symbols will help in a lot ways. That's the way it is. Now the next thing will be, now you have learned the healing self and others. When you practice from today, you will have doubts. Then when you have a doubt, you can ask with me, I can clear it, because unless until you practice, doubts cannot come, right? So you start practicing today. The next topic would be healing the home and office. Now healing home, what happens, now you are sitting in your home at present, so you don't have to open reiki here, because since you are already sitting in your home, so on your walls, right now you are sitting in your hall or bedroom, on your walls, each corner draw seiki and chokure. Corners, each corner of the room, seiki chokure. In the air you draw seiki chokure. Then in the center of the room, draw honsa zeishune.
Okay.
On the floor, you draw seiki chokure. On the ceiling, you draw seiki chokure. Because negativity mostly stays in the corners.
Okay.
When you draw in the room, after drawing, first draw seiki chokure in all the rooms of the home, kitchen, bathroom, everywhere. Now you don't have to go all the rooms sitting, because you know your home, right? Sitting here mentally also you can draw. Sitting here, you know the kitchen, so just see your kitchen, imagine in kitchen, draw all the 4 corners with your hands. Seiki chokure. When you finish it off, put an affirmation. My home is cleansed and energized now. You can write down. My home is cleansed and energized now.
Cleansed and energized now.
You can say this 3 times. Then you can add one more affirmation that, my home is filled with prosperity and abundance. With this affirmation, what happens? Say ki will balance the negative energies in your home. It will remove it and it will fill it with prosperity and abundance. Chokureo, it will draw the positivity and it will seal your home so that negativity won't enter. Likewise, in the kitchen, on the gas, you can draw say ki chokure, put an affirmation. This kitchen is always filled with abundance of food. So you are eating and you are feeding others. Similarly, your locker where you keep your cash, draw say ki chokure, put an affirmation. It is always filled with cash. Like all of us want it to be filled with cash, right? So you can put affirmation. It is filled with cash. It is filled with abundant energy. Similarly, your bedroom, on the bed you can draw say ki chokure and fill. Every day I'm sleeping peacefully on this bed. So in the night when you sleep, your bed will be filled with peaceful energies. So use this symbol with affirmations. When you draw say ki chokore, use what you want. Like when you're sleeping in the night, just say I want only positive dreams. Chokure. Then chokure, what it does when you're sleeping in the night, chokure won't allow negative dreams in your body. At that level, chokure will only allow the positivity, if not positivity, neutral dreams, and you will sleep peacefully. It works on faith. What I'm saying can be mechanical. It can be without faith. It becomes only a commentary. With faith, it pulls the energy. So use this symbol in your home, whichever area you want, whatever you want. Draw the symbol, say the affirmation. And here you don't need a particular timeline because it is not time bound. You can draw daily. Unlike healing self, you need a time, opening and closing. Since it's your home, just draw and say. Now, when you're healing others' home, write down healing others' home. Others' home, you require the address. You need to say the address because suppose you're healing your parents' home. So that these energies you can announce healing my home XYZ address, open Reiki. Open Reiki, and your home right there. The kitchen, bedroom. Each room you draw corners. You draw Seiki Chokure. Either you can keep a timeline or timeline is not required. You can keep a timeline. For suppose today you want to send the healing your home from 5 p.m. till 10 p.m. Then close Reiki and draw the symbols and close Reiki. So your home, the particular symbols will go and it will heal the home from that particular time. Now, since it is your home, you are aware of the home. But if you're healing somebody else's home, somebody says, please send the energy to our home. You ask the pictures of the home because you are not aware of the. So there you can ask for the pictures. When you see the pictures, open Reiki, say the timing, look at the pictures and draw it and close Reiki. Likewise, when you're healing your desk in the office, your desk. So morning when you go, mentally you can mentally also heal it, or when you go there also you can mentally draw symbols in your office. Mentally you can draw with your hands also. So you can say the affirmations. Today my day will be peaceful and abundant. I'm getting whatever work you do, I'm getting good business, I'm getting good clients. Put affirmation and draw say ki chokure. So it flows.
जैसे मैंने घर के लिए ओपन नहीं किया रेकी क्योंकि मैं घर में ही बैठा हूँ.
उसके लिए not required.
क्या होम ऑफिस के लिए भी ऐसा ही है क्योंकि मैं ऑफिस में उस समय बैठा हूँ?
Yes, not required. Open is not required. Wherever you're present, when you're healing that space, opening, closing is not required. If you're not present, because the energy timing has to be there. But in future, when you keep on healing yourself, only with your thought you can heal. Right at the beginning level, you are drawing symbols. But if you keep practicing, these symbols will remain in your mind. So whatever, see, the saying, right? Wherever your thought goes, you're giving power to that particular energy, right? So when you're sitting at home, thinking about your office, mentally also you can send these symbols there. The symbols will draw automatically. These symbols, they follow your command. There's a story, right? Aladdin ka chirag. He used to rub the chirag and Aladdin used to come. This is to come. The jinn used to come. He used to ask, "What do you want? Tell me." So these symbols you are commanding, and this is what. So slowly the energy will build up. Now these symbols will see what is your intent here.
Okay.
This symbol, you cannot just draw the symbol, say I want 1 lakh every month or I want 3 lakh every month. The symbol will see what is your present income, how hardworking you are, what is your effort. Based on that, you will get more opportunities.
Okay.
Somebody who is not working cannot just say I want 1 lakh a month. He has to
जी.
work.
हाँ.
So this goes this ethical way of healing.
जी.
So here we are not demanding, we are not commanding. We are applying for it. There is a petition. Okay, we need this. We request for this. So symbols will work accordingly. But I would suggest you start healing yourself today, every day,
जी.
followed up by the hand healing what you do, and
जी.
start healing your home. The next
Okay.
session would be the healing your childhood. Then we will learn healing your relationships.
Okay.
How to
ठीक
heal the
है.
relationship. That the third part will be something else. We will next 3 days we will finish. There are I think 6 topics to be covered in this. 2 we have covered now: healing self and healing others, healing the office and home. The
जी.
next would be the other 4 parts. And when you start healing yourself, you will have doubts. You can clarify.
Okay.
Since we are making this video for people who are going to learn in future, they can refer this and they can heal themselves.